Welcome to Katie Trader channel. I opened buy because the MACD indicator has crossed upwards, then the MACD candle appears bigger than before. I'm sure the market will rise strongly because this is a beautiful moment in MACD law, guys. I opened $500 and used 2 minutes. Let's wait for the time to finish, guys. Let's see if I will profit. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and activate the notification bell, so you don't miss it when I upload the latest video from my channel. Profit, guys. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.